It's the perfect opportunity to help somebody in need and also get ahead on your spring cleaning.
Some of us have extra books and magazines that we no longer need. You can donate these to doctors' offices, libraries, or even seniors' homes. Anything that you have lying around this week that you no longer use or need, donate. Tuesday, go through your closet and make 3 piles. Yes, no, and maybe.
Wednesday, go through your maybe pile and see if you can add more to your yes pile.
Thursday, do research on your local agencies that you can donate your clothes to.
Friday, bag up your yes pile and take it to the charity of your choice that you'd like to donate it on. This is all a gradual process and you're going to enjoy it.
I have found that among its other benefits, giving liberates the soul of the giver. This quote is by Maya Angelou. Good luck!
Have fun!
Celebrate you!
Celebrate the hero!